Hello, my sweet Diamond Art Dreams friends. I have a new painting that just came out just a little bit ago on Diamond Art Dreams that I want to share with you today. This kit comes with our, of course, your typical toolkit. And let me show you the picture of this one. This one is this little girl. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to do this one. It has 60 colors. It has 3 ABs and 2 crystal drills. So I'm gonna unroll this little girl and flip her over. I'm gonna roll her back. I'm going to try to fit the whole thing in here as much as I can. And if I can't, I'm going to slide her up and down for you so you can see that, oh my goodness, look at her. How cute. She's a little bestie. So she's my bestie, Ocean Treasures. And typically, you know how we do our canvases. This is the sparkle canvas with the deckled edge. And on this side, our little schematics go up and down, and if you turn it around, when you're working from this end, this way, I have it set this way so you can read it from this direction without having to try to see the other end. So, oh my goodness, I just can't wait to get into this little girl and start working on her. So, let's see here. So you get your sticker sheet. It has the little stickers on here. And then you can cut her out. However, her box comes, when you get her box will come with the sticker on the end as well. If you can see, that's coming through. You can see that. So this is the sticker sheet. It's a 60 by 60. And these are the drills. Look at those. Oh, I can't wait to get in these. Oh, and there's the crystal drills. So I'm not a regular YouTuber, y'all. So, you know, I'm going to just share this with you because I'm so excited. I can't wait for you guys to see her. And oh my gosh, I can't wait to see how, if you're in our Facebook group, that you would share when you're working on her. Oh, look at those drills. Aren't they beautiful? Oh, that shimmer. Oh, so beautiful. Okay, I'm anxious to get to these. Okay, let's see the crystal drills. Where are they? Here we go. Oh my goodness. That beautiful, it's like a ruby, fuchsia ruby color. So pretty. And there's so many. And look at this one. Oh my goodness. I'm anxious to see where these go too. Okay, so, and then these are our AB colors. Got this beautiful yellow, this beautiful aqua, and this sand color. So pretty. I don't know if I'm getting these in the frame right, but aren't they beautiful? I'll get better at doing videos. The more I do, the better I'll be. So, let's see. These are round drills. These are all round. And so, let's see if we can see where some of these special drills go. So, the special drills are number 40 and number 37. So let's see. 37. Let's see. And 40. 40 is a D. Oh, I bet it's going to be. It is. It's on her skirt. It's on her tutu and her tail. Oh my goodness. Look, all the crystals are all here. Oh my goodness. Some in the flowers over here. And some in her hair. Oh, it's going to be so beautiful. And let's see if I can find the other one. Oh, they're on the trunk. They're over here on her treasure trunk. Oh, I'm so excited. I am going to start on this one. And I'll do some videos with you guys as I'm working on her I haven't done that yet, but I definitely will start doing that. I can't wait to work on her. She's my new favorite. Okay, so, and then have another little surprise. So this is our toolkit, specialty toolkit that you can order off of the site that comes with our scented putty, which is coconut and vanilla, and she comes on this little treasure chest that opens, and inside are the tops of those, and then this is her little treasure chest, and you can put all of your things inside. You can put your cover minders, you can put your putty, you can put all the little extras in there, and then a little, this is a pin, a little Diamond Art Dreams pin comes with her, and then these are the cover minders, and then this is another placer, a little mermaid tail placer. So this is a specialty kit. It's extra, but I will link it with this painting so that when you go to look for this painting, you can easily find the kit that we made, the designer kit. So I am just over the moon and super excited about this little girl, and I hope you guys are too. If you happen to have her or you order her from the site, I would love for you to come over to our Facebook page and share what you're doing with her and what you think of her, and what you think about this painting. So it is, the back is the velvet canvas. And like I said, the canvas is the sparkly, beautiful sparkly canvas. So thank you guys so much for stopping by my quick little video to share with you about our new painting. And we'll be sharing all of the new paintings that we have coming out at Diamond Art Dreams, and the new paintings that we have coming out at Art and Soul, and also the new Bestie paintings, or the paintings that are over on Bella Safina. So check those out, and I will be back. Bye.